How to change a reservation on booking.com. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for booking.com. Make sure you are signed in and now tap on your profile icon on the top right corner of your screen and navigate to the My Bookings tab and tap on the reservation that you want to change. Now, check the properties policy. Some property allow changes to dates or guest information directly on the platform, while others may have more restrictive policies. Review the cancellation or modification policy to check if changes are allowed or not. Next, request to modify. If the property allows changes, you'll usually see an option to change the dates, number of guests, or other details. Follow the prompts to make the changes. Next, contact the property directly. If the option is not available, you can contact the property directly using the Contact the Property button in your booking details to request a change. You can also contact Booking.com's customer service for assistance. Now, confirm the changes. Once the changes has been processed, you'll receive an updated confirmation email with the new details. Keep in mind that depending on the property's policy, you may be required to pay any difference in price for the new dates or changes, and fees might apply for modification. So, this is how you can change a reservation on booking.com. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.